Welcome to Babu Moshai. This is my temporary Bagan Badi at the ITC Shonar. I've got my guests Ranjini Joshi, Rana Das Gupta, Utsav Parekh, Onik, and of course Chef Malhotra with me. And what are we doing? We are starting to feed the fish. There you go, the koi, beautiful setting. You know, my entire team, this is perhaps the Calcutta that all of us want, or the Bengal that all of us want. What was our idea? Just as this is going on, think about it. Perfect Bagan Badi setting over Adda and fish feeding, and we will soon be going up for a Bangali Bhuri Bhoj. And we will be talking about mental health, about industry, about COVID vaccination, and of course, have some music. Onik, kedu gaan hoye jak du line and we will go up.
হৃদয় আছে যার সেই তো ভালোবাসে প্রতিটি মানুষেরই জীবনে প্রেম আসে কেউ কি ভেবেছিল শ্যামকে ভালোবেসে রাধার ভালোবাসা কাহিনী হয়ে যাবে হৃদয়ে লেখো নাম সে নাম রয়ে যাবে যদি কাগজে লেখো নাম। Thank you.
Wonderful. So, on that note, opore jawa jak, let's go up. The Bhoj is waiting. Dekhte thakun. Keep watching Babu Moshai.
चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए देख किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को।
So after fish feeding, we are also hungry. So we need to feed ourselves. I've got my group back. So what are we doing? We are starting with, Sir Khan, please. We are starting with Gondharaj Lassi and of course cheers. As they have, please start, Apnara Khan. Babu is always a gracious host. So let me read out the menu. As you can see, lunch with Babu. I have tried to be as sophisticated as possible. So what are we having? We are having Gondharaj Lassi, vegetable chop, macher chop, and I've got multiple vegetarian guests as well, so I've been careful. Chanar dalma, doi potol, chochori, bhaja mosla diye alur dom, chola diye narkoler dal, chingri macher malaikari, murgir kosha, kosha mangsho, আর তারপর dessert. People who are listening, pardon us. You know, I mean, all of us are. So, lassita hope. Garam Kal, summer season, Bagan Badi, what start? Can we have the food, please? Thank you, boss. Look at him. You are a superstar. Look at this. And we've got to show you close. Luchi, and very different from puri. Luchi, the texture of the flour is much softer. So this is luchi, chutney du rokomer, chingri macher malaikari, mangsho, chicken, obviously the alur dom, bhaja muger dal, jeta bollam dal, begun bhaja.
Your viewers are going to check you on. Your viewers are already mouth-wateringly looking
Sir,
at
Khan. Onik, lassita holo as we start. Dulain hoye jak, some song about food to set the tone.
Whenever I think of food, you know, the thing which comes in my mind is Gupi Baga clapping their hands and getting food. So this
is exactly
like this. So we all are clapping, maintaining the social distancing, and we get our thalis.
Gao bhai, gao.
आज के मोদের বড়ই সুখের দিন আজ के মোদের বড়ই সুখের দিন আজ ঘরের বাঁধন ছেড়ে মোরা হয়েছি স্বাধীন মোরা হয়েছি স্বাধীন আজ আবার মোরা ভব ঘুরে মুলক ছেড়ে যাব দূরে পুরানো দিনের কথা সে মনে পুরানো দিনের কথা আসে, মনে আসে, ফিরে আসে, আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে, শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে,
Amazing.
কত শোভা চারিপাশে, আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে।
I wish. কি আনন্দ আমাদের প্লেটে, absolutely আনন্দ, it's lovely. I just wish that আনন্দ was translated in the outside domain. Unfortunately, that উৎসব পারেখ বাবুর লাঞ্চে এসে চামচে খাচ্ছে, eating with his spoon and fork. আরে হাতে খেতে হবে স্যার, বাঙালি লাঞ্চ। এই দেখুন,
I was worried that the spectators may not like my using the hands.
hand
So
sir,
now
hand.
I'll do the right way.
Exactly, hand. Utsav bhai, coming to you first. Give me a sense of what's happening. I mean, as we sort of delve into our Baganbari lunch, is the industrial scenario in Bengal as bleak as it is made out to be, or are you positive about it?
You know, Boria, I'll first give a generic answer to what you have asked. That the business scenario has improved considerably.
Has it?
Yes, from the bleak future where everything was gloom and doom till the month of May and June of 2020 to a very positive, upright thinking by almost all the business houses. Business houses who had thought that we will not do any more investment, business houses who had thought that we will not do any more expansion, suddenly has moved into an expansion mode.
Okay.
Practically almost all the large business verticals have started doing extremely well, and that is shown by the results that have come out, the
But
quarterly results.
is this also applicable to Bengal?
So all the units of every company that is here in Bengal are all doing well. In terms of going forward, in terms of expansion, I think people probably are waiting for the political scene to stabilize before they go for a further expansion.
Murgi is supremely positive. কি ভালো খেতে। Rana, coming to you, you've been at the forefront of the COVID fight. One tough one. You've also had COVID despite vaccination. So what is the reality? Should we get vaccinated? Should we still maintain protocols after vaccination? And have the queues eased out in your hospital? Because you are the leader. So give me a candid answer.
Yeah, let me tell you that, vaccine is a must. Of course, you need to get vaccinated. Getting vaccinated does not mean that you will not have COVID. I have had COVID after getting vaccinated, taking the second vaccine. But what the vaccine does is it helps you, the vaccine helps you to reduce the virulence of the disease. I have had COVID where it was absolutely asymptomatic. It was like influenza. Okay. But I had to remain at home for 14 days because, quarantine, because so that I don't pass it on to anyone else. But I was absolutely normal. There was no fever, no body ache, no after effects. And, 14 days later, I joined back work. I'm absolutely, fit. And there's no after effect.
Please, anyone who is hearing this program, it is coming from the best. He's had COVID, but as everybody, right from Anthony Fauci to Sarah Gilbert to, Dr. V.K. Paul to Rana Dasgupta, everyone, for God's sake, take the vaccine. Rana, follow up. I saw major queues at Apollo. Have things become under control? Give me a sense.
See, initially, we had given vaccine to healthcare workers, and that we could control because we started off with our own workers, and we could actually stagger the entire thing across the day.
And you talk about mental health. How important and how challenging has it been for you when you speak to people?
It's been very challenging, especially I'm associated with Befrienders India, which is the umbrella for mental health and suicide prevention centers throughout India. In Calcutta, it's called the Lifeline Foundation, and we have had nearly 30 to 40% jump in the calls during COVID times. And Bengal is the third largest, in the number of suicides already. And we have, the statistics says that there is one student suicide, not in Bengal, in India, there is one student suicide every hour. That is there, So me with this, dealing with students, with young adults, and this is the time where everybody at home, young kids, young adults, they don't have any place to go, vent, talk to friends. And so it has been a very testing and difficult time for people, not only young, even the elderly.
That's the whole point of Babu Moshai. We might have our food and might go to a Baganbadi, but we will talk serious stuff and we will also talk with decency. Have you seen any of us interfere? You won't see that. Anik, to your industry, are you getting work? Or during lockdown, all of us thought, our careers are... Tell me.
It was one of the most toughest times we had ever faced, because we could have never thought that time ashbe. We were all locked down at home and doing all Facebook sessions and all digital platforms. But the main shows and the stuff from which we connect to the audience, and which is a main part of our profession, that's the live shows. That was totally disrupted even now. But things are taking good shape gradually. So we are doing 1 or 2 shows maybe.
Rana, one more before I go to Utsav Bhai. And this is very important for me to understand. This second wave that's come now, it's on us. Do you again envisage a lockdown? Or do you envisage, no, we have testing, we have tracing, we know, we have vaccination, and we also know COVID appropriate behavior. So we have to do that to overcome this.
Yes, I think I agree with you. When it initially came somewhere in March last year, it was something absolutely new. And we were learning absolutely what was happening every day. But now we are better prepared. The only thing is that we need to follow the protocols.
So political rallies will not follow protocol. Our leaders, we have not been able to regulate crowds. We haven't seen any judicial intervention yet. Is the healthcare sector in Bengal ready to deal with a post-election surge?
See, we have, Bengal I think is ready.
Is ready?
Because I must say that the government has done very well as far as when the first COVID came in and the way we handled COVID.
Utsav Bhai, in terms of, if I ask you to, the moment I talk Bengal, people are like, तुम्हारे वहाँ तो कुछ नहीं है, industry नहीं है, काम नहीं होता है, employment नहीं है, सब बाहर जाओ. You are a leader of the industry. Give me a real sense. Is it that bad?
See, your point is very well taken, because on ground, we do not see any industrial revival, I would say, industrial businesses taking place. And therefore, yes, to that answer, the pace of growth, the pace of industrialization is much lower and much less in this part of the country than if you take Delhi or, the north or the west or the south.
But is there hope?
So, there is no reason. All the policies are good as far as Bengal and its surrounding areas are concerned. They are minerally rich. They are got all the facilities. The government has done everything and anything to make this conducive. We have floated an airport project, and the airport project is ready, and the airport in Andal, Durgapur is on. We are going to start operating 8 flights a day connecting Durgapur to all the major cities in Calcutta.
Ranjini, education. Are you happy with what is happening in education, or is there political interference? Before I close with Anik.
I don't think that we have never faced any political interference in this. We have been in the vocational space, we have been in the professional education space. And what he says is like the ways we are, in a way, telling students to tune themselves up for the change, for the new era.
Okay, Anik, mishti mukh kora time hocche. We need to get to our dessert and close the show. So let's have a song that sets up the mood for Mishti. Utsav Bhai stopped with his rice and he was like giving me a hint. Mishti ta dao, Mishti ta dao. Are debo. Ekটু সবুর করুন মেওয়া ফলে. অনেক get us a song to get into the mood and we can all রানার পারমিশন নিয়ে ডাক্তার লোক বলবে এত মিষ্টি খেও না, don't have so many, we'll have a mishti. And we are all Bengalis, we'll have one mishti in my bagan bari. Come on, Anik,
But
give us a
Divya,
song.
you are making him earn for his lunch.
No, Anik, you will have
Eat
two.
for his lunch.
You will have two, we'll have one.
Okay. Then it's fair.
চলো।
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा, आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा, स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा, चाहिए नान या रोटी, चाहिए रान या बोटी, मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए, थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी, थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी, ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए, दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू।
এই যে টমেটো চাটনিটা না, এটা বেঙ্গলি ডেলিকেসি। এরপরে মিষ্টি খাবো, আপনাদেরকে চাটনিটা দিয়ে I'll finish off, because if I sort of pester you further by torturing with the mishti, you won't like it. So look at this, and this is a very Bengali tomato chutney. খেজুর দেয়া, কিসমিস দেয়া। Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.